Link EA account to Twitch. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can link EA account to Twitch, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to link your EA account to Twitch, it's very simple. Open up any of the browser that you use, and then in the search bar, you simply want to go to ea.com/Twitch linkin. I repeat, ea.com/Twitch linkin. I'll make sure to also drop a direct link down in the description box below. Once you go to ea.com/Twitch linkin, you have to make sure that you are signed in to your Twitch account as well as also your EA account. If you're not signed in, it will ask you to sign in with your EA account or maybe your Twitch account. So let me also go ahead and then do that respectively. And let's say once you sign into your EA account, it will just ask you and take you to the page where you can directly tap on the link option, and then you will be able to link both your EA account and your Twitch account in that regard. This way you'll be able to link your EA account to Twitch. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.